So we're in Ybor City. Really nice town. Really, really nice. Take a chance in Ybor City. Here you have some old roads, old buildings. Oh wow, look at this. This is amazing. Look at this. This is a nice looking town. First time down here in Ybor City. Got a nice restaurant called Central Ybor, Cantina, Mali Ferrara from 1905 to 1979. So this place has been open over 100 years right there, right across the street. We got a Jimmy John's in here. That's crazy. Hot wax class. This is pretty cool. Oh, hot wax coffee shop. Oh. Hi, how are you guys? So look at this original stonework. WT Grant Company. Look at that old theater. A lot of nice architecture. Look at that architecture. Looks like they're having an event here. There's parking everywhere, guys. So if you want to come down to Tampa Bay and stop by Ybor City, there's a lot of history here, a lot of beautiful architecture, old buildings, century-old buildings. Some of these buildings remind me of Key West and also St. Augustine. That's Spanish architecture. Southern Nights, Tampa. A lot of artists down here, a lot of artists, painters. Got an old theater here. Because when you look around, what's the Ritz? It looks just like it looks like the French Quarter. Old lamps. Oh, we made them look old. Have a lot of old buildings, nice coffee shops, bars. Has a kind of a Key West, St. Augustine vibe to it. That's what it looks like. Some of this architecture looks like a French architecture, a Spanish architecture. So that way, excuse me. That has a good vibe there. Central Cantina, Central Ybor. A lot of old buildings. I love it. Old woodwork. Hey, they got the old Indian. A lot of artists, graffiti artists. Look at the old woodwork. Look at the old woodwork. That is nuts. Still standing till today. This reminds me of the meatpacking district in New York. This type of awning. It's like an old factory. I like the woodwork on this. It's really cool. Look at this. I like this over here. Trains still run on that track, and obviously they do. There goes an Amtrak. The Big Easy bar, Cajun cuisine. Coyote Ugly bar, like the movie. Coyote Ugly. Gaspar's Grotto. La Frencha de Ybor. Demi's Market. Imported foods. Still has old gates. In order for me to explore this place, I would have to come early because it has so much going on down here. We just got here not too long ago. But yeah, I would have to come down here early one day, or when it's just me and Kayla, so that we can walk all this place, this whole area. A lot of tattoo shops. I guess weed is legal down here. A Greek restaurant, Acropolis. All right, we're gonna try Carmine, see how the food is. The missus is hungry. Look at that building. That's the Italian Club building. It looks like a reserve or a bank. When the missus and I are alone, we're gonna have to come revisit this place because this is really cool. I love architecture. I've said it a million times in a lot of the videos. Yeah, there's a lot of old architecture here that I want to explore. I want to explore this old town. Look at this. Looks like you're in New Orleans. It's really nice. The sun is out. It's kind of nippy over here. Not nippy, but chilly. It's chilly out here. Coyote Ugly, like the movie. So, yeah, they sell a lot of weed, tattoos, bars, restaurants. It's a good vibe though. Nothing wrong with that. And old architecture, which I love. 1800s, 1900s. Look at this. That's the original. Look at these gates. These old gates. Original gates. Still on here.